construction sites, especially in places like New York City, exposes workers to substantial dangers and hazards. Are there laws that protect workers in those environments?
Short answer is yes. The original law that a lot of lawyers like myself focus on was called the Scaffold Law, and it was enacted way back in the 1880s. New York State was unique in that regard because it was done well before there were any federal worker safety protections and well before there was the modern workers' compensation system that has been set up today. And that particular law was to protect workers from risk and dangers associated with working from heights. As you can probably imagine, even from your high school or junior high school studies, there were a lot of fatalities and injuries when the sweatshop era was underway here in the United States. And this was one of several laws that were ultimately enacted to protect workers from these types of gravity-related risk.